Hi guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will explain the installation process of your Sensibo Sky smart home air conditioner system. This device helps to upgrade your air conditioner or heat pump into a smart device. With the help of Sensibo Sky, you can control your air conditioner system through Alexa and Google Assistant, as it has the voice assistant feature. This also helps in saving energy. Let's start the setup process. Place your Sensibo Sky smart home air conditioner system on opposite wall, directly under or to the side of your split system. Keep it away from direct sunlight and heat sources. Always place it away from any other electronic objects like microwave ovens, televisions and monitors, cordless phones and baby monitors, metal appliances and more, because this can cause wireless interference. To start the setup, first you need to download the Sensibo app on your smartphone. To download this app, go to App Store or Google Play Store and search Sensibo. Here, you will get the app. After download, you need to create an account. You required an email address to create an account. Now enter your email and a password. You will get a Sensibo verification email to verify the account. Now, open the Sensibo app and tap Add Device button. Then choose your specific model from the available options. Plug in your Sensibo Sky. Ensure your Sensibo is blinking blue light. The app will prompt you to scan the QR code located on the backside of the Sensibo device. Now, assign a name to your location and room, then follow the instructions to connect your device to the Wi-Fi network with using your password. Then, allow location permissions. If you are facing any issue with Sensibo Sky smart home air conditioner system or need our help, then you can reach us. Thanks for watching.